Everybody, welcome back to Austenreadsbooks. Today, I'm going to be reading Meow. What's the sound? Meow Meow. Furry kittens come in many colors. Meow Meow. Climbing can be lots of fun. Meow Meow. Curious kittens play all day. Meow Meow. Milk is a tasty treat. Meow Meow. Cats like to lick their fur to stay clean. Meow Meow. Tired kittens curl up for a big sleep. Meow Meow. Thank you for watching me read What's That Sound? Meow Meow. I'm Austen Harrison, and thank you for listening for me reading this book. Now time for the book review. This book is really good. It shows about what cats smell like, sound like, and what they can do, what they do. And thank you for listening. Goodbye.